Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by defining what the bot will and will not do, crisis support versus coaching, and you lock those boundaries now. Once defined, pick a deployment platform, web, mobile, or messaging API, and make sure you can meet their data policies. While you do that, assemble core content, validated therapeutic modules, clinician-reviewed prompts, and a privacy checklist. This first sprint prevents scope creep later, so prioritize safety, legal review, and a minimal viable flow you can iterate on immediately. Now you design conversational flows, intake, triage, empathetic replies, and clear escalation paths, and you map them to intents and states. Next, select your model approach, retrieval, fine-tuned large language model, or a hybrid, and run tests focused on hallucination and bias. Make sure to implement safety systems, intent detection that spots crisis language, hard guardrails to prevent medical claims, rate limits, secure logging, and encryption at rest. Once these are wired, run clinician-in-the-loop simulations to refine tone and accuracy. You launch in stages, alpha with clinicians, then a small beta, and finally a controlled release. While launching, monitor conversation quality metrics, safety alerts, and user feedback loops so you can iterate quickly. Make sure logging links user flows to model outputs for fast debugging. If things go wrong, isolate whether the issue is the model versus the pipeline, roll back the model if hallucinations spike, or fix preprocessing if intents misfire. Finally, keep clinicians in the loop and schedule continuous audits to maintain safety and trust.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.